It's brunch around the world, and the next stop is Georgia for Khachapuri, sort of like a cheese stuffed pizza. And I'm starting with some all-purpose flour, a little sugar for sweetness, some salt to balance those flavors. And I'm using instant yeast. This is gonna get the bread to puff up really nicely. Whenever I'm baking, I always add the wet ingredients to the dry ones.
And the milk is going to help activate the yeast.
I like to make sure that all the liquids are not too cold. And a little olive oil to just bring this all together. That dough looks ready. And this needs to rest just a little in a warm place. Oh boy. I like to brush the top of the dough with a little olive oil. This way it doesn't crack or dry out. Put a little blankie on it. While that continues to just rise and grow, I'm gonna work on my cheesy filling. I'm using ones that you can find right in the regular grocery store, starting with mozzarella. Next is ricotta. And ricotta is an Italian mild-flavored cheese. It's funny because it's found in so many fillings, mainly because it's so creamy. Feta cheese. I love that tangy flavor from it. An egg white to just hold it all together. And you know me, I love to flavor every layer. That's what I love about a cheesy filling. You can use it in just about anything. Khachapuri, like I'm using it, things like stuffed ravioli, cannelloni. The possibilities are endless. This just needs a little time in the fridge while my dough rises. Now that doubled in size. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be good. It's quite a sticky dough, so I would make sure to always properly flour the cutting board. I like to give it a little punch down, just to let the air out. And with this little amount of dough, I'm gonna make 4 boats. Khachapuri, which I thought actually meant boat, because that's what these are gonna look like, just means cheese bread. And when I'm filling these up, I really like to take my time. And making these are so calming. It's really a gentle roll, just to keep that cheese from oozing out. And then it's a twist on either side. Isn't that cute? And to make them really nice, I like to cut just the ends off. These just need to brown up in the oven. I love how these got bubbly and brown in the oven. And I'm about to turn this into brunch. these just need a little more time to get golden. Now this is my type of brunch. The smell coming out of these is so good. I need a little butter on here. That creamy cheese, that rich egg yolk, and the best spoon I can ever ask for, this crispy bread. Now this is brunch.